Do I look good?
Come on, tell me, why is my waist so silent? Are you silent or silent?
Hold up. Okay, cool.
Watch how I turn from this to this in the car while driving. This is going to be a very chaotic video where I'm going to put my makeup on while I'm driving to a place where I'm about to have dinner and I'm not even dressed up yet. Okay, so according to Waze, I have 29 minutes and I'm hoping there will be some traffic jam, even though I'm late already, but I'm just gonna try to put up some makeup on, you know what I mean? Don't worry about being dangerous, I'm just trying to do it during traffic jam and traffic light. I'm supposed to reach the place at 6 o'clock and now it's already 6:02 and I'm half an hour away, yeah! Concealer. Okay. Oh! Okay, I know where my dark circles are even without looking at it. Maybe like this. The bumpy roads in Malaysia. Where does the Malaysian taxpayers' money go? They don't fix the road. So the place I'm going for dinner is going to be like a sky dining thing. There'll be like KLCC views and all that. So that's why I tried to rush it before the sunset. For the pictures, obviously, the food there sucks. Okay, you know what? The traffic is going too smooth right now, so I can't do my brows. I'm just gonna contour first. Tap it out. Remember to tap it out, no matter how busy you are. Just imagining my nose line. Okay, I think this is the tip, right? Do I look good? This is whatever brown. Oh my god, my contour is shit. Y'all didn't even tell me. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick soft crease look. Driving without music is so silent. I don't want to put on music because I don't want to get copyrighted on my videos. But there are some people, right? I feel like this kind of people where they don't really fucking play any songs. But still, I mean, it's still better than those people who play some mainstream songs. I mean, no offense, but honey, it's better for you to turn off the music because I'd rather be silent. Do you prefer silence or silence?
Were you silent or were you silenced?
Fuck, the jam was only like 2 seconds. Y'all. Ah! What is this dark circle thing? Oh my god, I look at a raccoon. Y'all, at this part, I don't think I can do soft crease. Change our plans. I'm just going to put some glitter on the lids, like the middle. Yeah. Traffic jam is building up and I can finally do my eyebrows. I don't use the brow pencil, I use this fucking brow pomade and this. So I need 2 hands to do this. Okay, no. Ivor, think. I can just dip. And then I'll just like use one hand and another hand on the wheel, okay? Yo! Okay, I don't think I can. What happened to the jam? I want the traffic jam now. Apply my blush first because I don't really need mirror to do that. Because I know where my jawline is here. Yes, right? Am I doing it right? Girl, I look weird without the brows, with all the heavy eyeshadow makeup. Imagine if I get pulled over again by the police. It's gonna be, Miss, you tak tidur ke? Tak ada masa. Like whenever there's a roadblock, they would stop me and ask, sudah kahwin? Or Cina? Atau Malay? I'm slightly racially ambiguous. Like nobody knows whether I'm like Chinese or Malay. I don't know, like, because like a little bit tan. The moment that I tell them that I'm Chinese, they were like, okay, go. Like race plays a big issue in Malaysia, do you know what I mean? Eyeliner time, y'all. Eyeliner while driving. I'm scared. My lips are so dry. I'm just gonna like apply my lipstick. It's my lip balm, my highlight lip balm, so check out the links below. You're gonna be like this, and it looks pigmented and moist at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop like I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows. Okay, you're getting there. Wow, this traffic light is rather okay. It's green now. Shit, I'm not done filling up yet. Oh shit, I'm supposed to turn left? Oh, turn right. Okay, go straight first. Okay, we got another stoplight. Alright, oh my god, it's fucking green now. Ah! Wait, hold up. It's such a Hold up, it's green, right? Hello, it's green. Y'all, he's just living his life. Oh, and I'm not sure I'm on a right. Yeah, I am. Come on, tell me, waist. Why is my waist so silent? Are you silent or silent? Yo, my half-ass brows. Oh my god, this is too dark. Hold up, okay. Turn left. Why am I looking at my phone like a fucking old lady? Yes, another stoplight. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I spend too much time on brows. Oh my god, I fucking hate this eyeliner. Oh my god, but it's okay, right? Okay. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit. Oh my god, it's fucking green now. Okay. The handbrake. Okay. If I am 5 minutes away. Cool. Shit, I'm 5 minutes away. I'm not done with my. Oh, I'm almost done, y'all. Do I look cute? Wait, hold up. I should turn right now. Oh, here we go. Ooh, taking you to the streets of Malaysia. Okay, let me just look at all those bumpy roads. Okay, back to me. Okay, what should I add? Okay, one last one. Come on, give me one more last one. Okay, found it. Okay. This is one of my trick right now. I don't really put on my mascara. I just put on this magnetic eyelashes that I just put on like this. I don't even need to put glue. Okay, it's still red, y'all. It's still red. Okay, and then just put like this. It's the fastest way and the most convenient way for me to. Okay. You see that? Bitch? If you want that, just get it. You know where to get it. You know, like the link is in my description box. Okay, fuck, it's green now. Y'all, look at me. My eyelashes is only done. Okay. I'm almost done. Oh shit. Please. Okay, I'm here. I just need to park real quick. Okay. There's a side parking, y'all. I'm pretty good in parking if you don't know. But okay, I just need to put on one last eyelashes because I didn't manage to put it on while I was driving. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You just put it on top, like the bottom. So basically you're wearing two lashes on one eye. You get what I mean? Because you gotta be one bottom and one top. Now, like that. Then, why am I giving a tutorial when I'm in the car? Okay, and then I just place it. Can you see it? No. And then I just like. See? See? I don't even need to put any lashes or glue, and it's so easy. I just bring it like that. Y'all, I'm cute. I look cute now. I just need to go put my hair down. Wait, hold up. I look cute. Wait, actually, I need to change my dress. I need to change my skirt because I'm wearing this sweatpants, short sweatpants, and it doesn't really go well with what I'm wearing right now. You can't really see it, so I'm just gonna be like white on white and a little tube top moment. Don't ask me why I didn't change it at home because I left my skirt here, and then don't ask me why I left my skirt here. Okay, I fucking regret not putting tinted over my car. My windows are not tinted, but it's okay. Nobody will, you know. If there isn't any CCTV. Hold up. Okay, cool. It's all good, y'all. Check out my outfit of today, and if you don't like it, you can leave. Unbelievable. I thought I was late, but look at this. I'm supposed to be my mom here. I'm I'm the first one to arrive, bruh. I can't, like, when you're meeting up with Malaysians, you gotta add like half an hour late. Like, they're gonna be late. It's the Malaysian timing. Whatever. I'm just gonna go down and take more photos. So right now I'm just like changing my shoes. If you're wondering why am I changing, because I have a lot of shoes in my car. I don't know why. I mean, I don't know why do I have this pink shirt here. Can you believe it? Can you believe that all that blush and foundation and makeup just for this bag?
Can you believe that? Can you believe we don't have a jacuzzi?